Good evening, everyone. I am Bhuvana from Chennai. I am very happy to share with you my experiences regarding NET exam. I have joined in YouTube classes and as well as a test series in Combined CS. Uh, Rashmi ma'am and Asta ma'am giving huge support for us, and very dedicated people are there. If we go through our subjects and in-depth knowledge, definitely we can clear and get JRF. In last For my experience, I have to share with you all. In last 2 years back, I was not able to clear by 4 marks or 4 questions. Like that only I have missed that opportunity, but this time I was very dedicated. In fact, we are in COVID situation. The exams are postponed. Hardly we have 1 year of duration we had. In that period, I was struggling in my studies, as well as daily I took 2 tests in paper 1 and paper 2, as well as after writing we have to check the answers if there is any mistakes or not. In next day itself, we have to check the previous one test as well as. By these practice, I can learn more things. Thank you. All the best for getting your JRF. Combined CS is very helpful to your success. Thank you.